Now push it forward. Bullet in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Hit this. Safety's on. All right.
Is that all right?
Yeah. It's a real light trigger, so make sure you're ready to shoot before you even put your finger by it.
Is it gonna hurt my shoulder?
Just get it real tight.
I'm scared.
Don't look too close. All right. Yeah, you're fine.
Are you ready?
I'm ready when you are.
Wow.
Okay,
Scared me.
put the safety back on. Just flip it down.
I'm trying. It won't go down.
Here.